Let us to solve few of the numerical which are based on the combination of the resistor. So welcome you back in this physics video, and we are having this is the very first question. So we are given over here 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm. These are the three resistors which are connected in series, and this combination supplied 10 volt. What is the potential drop across each resistor? Okay, so let us to understand this one with the diagram. What is said to us that there are the three resistors in this way, and all they are connected in the series combination. So it is R1, so it is of 2 ohm, it is R2 which is of 3 ohm, and this is R4, R3 of 4 ohm. So they are connected in series and they are supplied with this potential or voltage which is given over there of 10 volt. Okay, so they are asking to us that how much is the voltage drop between the two terminal of this resistor. So we should to know in series combination current will be same, so therefore this will be I1 R1. Here it will be that of potential difference is I2 I R2, and there are the potential difference it is over here V3 which is of IR3. Okay, so that's our demand is because R1 is given to us, R2 is given to us, R3 is given to us. How much is this I? Okay, so I is what? I is the total current. So therefore, that how much is the total resistance? So total resistance of this combination. So that we can get it as total resistance of the combination. It is all they are in series, so therefore it is simply they are going to add. So there it is 2 plus 3 plus 4 which is of 9 ohm. This is the total resistance of the circuit or either equivalent resistance. And that how much is the total supply of the voltage? It is 10 volt, and the total current from Ohm's law you can write that it is total potential difference or voltage supplied upon by that total resistance of the combination. Thus I get it as that of V is of 10 and this resistance is of 9, and thus it will be over here 1.11 ampere. This is that total current of the circuit. Therefore, how much is this V1? So V1 is equal to IR1, and which is equal to 1.11 into this 2. So that means to say it is 2.22 volt over there. Next here that V2 how much it is? It is IR2 which is of 1.11 into this R2 value is of 3, and which is of 3.33 volt, and that of this V3, so it is IR3 which is equal to 1.11 into that value of resistance it is 4, and it is 4.44 volt. Okay, so thus we are having this is the answer of this very first question. Now let us to look over here this second question. So we are given over here this is the network of the combination, and both is there, series is there as well as parallel is there. So we have to find out equivalent this resistance between that C and E. Okay, so we have to find over there this equivalent resistance between C and E. Okay, so for this purpose let us to start now. Just to check over here that if I will start my journey from C and I want to go to this E point. Okay, so you will find that when I'm going from C, so there at B point I got two paths. Okay, so there it is, one path is going along this A to D, and the second path is directly to D. Okay, so therefore at this B point there are the two paths. Okay, then these two paths how they are to each other, that means they are in parallel to each other. But if you will find that and this path when you are going from B to A and then D, so there is only a single path in which two resistors are used. Okay, so that means I'm going to give them the name. Here it is R1 resistance is this one, this is R2 resistance, this is R3 resistance, this is over here R4, which is also of 10 ohm, and this is R5. Okay, so thus I have given them the name R1, R2 and R3, R4, R5. So over here student, you will find that this R2, here it is R2, and R3, this is the R3, are in series. Okay, so if they are in series, then what will be the equivalent? So directly is there that second and third are in series, so therefore their equivalent it is 10 plus 10, which is of 20 ohm. Okay, thus I am going to make a equivalent diagram, that these two I am going to replace with the single one. Thus over here, this is the point B, here it is that D point, and this is that E point, which is connected over there, and this was that. So this is of 10 ohm, this is of 10 ohm. Now there is another which is we have replaced with a single one, these two replaced with a single, and that it is of R23, which is of 20 ohm. Okay, this is over there, and this is R1 resistance whose value is of 10 ohm, and this was R4 resistance, and this is R5 resistance. Okay, now look over there. Once again, between B and D you are having two paths. Now they are how connected to each other in parallel. Okay, so between B and D, this R2 3 and this R4 are in parallel now. So if they are in parallel, then what will be the equivalent? So let me to give it as the name R2 3 4. So there are only the two resistance which are in parallel, so therefore it is direct formula, product upon my sum, product upon my sum. Okay, so one it is of 20 ohm, while the other it is of 10 ohm, so therefore it becomes 20 into 10 upon my 20 plus 10, which in turn is equal to that of 200 upon my 30, or either it is 20 by 3 ohm. Okay, so therefore I can replace these that resistances between B and D with this single. Okay, with this single value of resistance 20 by 3. So I am going to have this equivalent diagram between B and D. There will be now only a single resistance, and this is that C over here, here it is that E point. So this is the fifth resistance which we were using. This is now R2 3 4, and this is R1 which we have already taken. So this is that C point. Okay, now look up over there how all are connected to each other. So C to E, there is only a single path, so that means they are in series. Therefore that series combination is now finally I am getting. So thus it will be 10 plus, how much is the value of this one? So already calculated, 20 by 3 plus 10. Okay, so therefore it is having over there that of LCM will come to be 3, and it is 30, 30, 60, 80, 80 by 3, and from there we get it is as finally answer 26.67 ohm. Okay, this is the answer. So with the help of equivalent diagram we can solve them. So this is now further over here I am going to use only a single resistance between E, that of C and E, and this should be of 26.67. Okay, so this is the equivalent resistance. Now let us look for this one. Diagram is given to us. How much is the equivalent resistance between AB? So for this we have to understand that how they are connected to each other. So just to look over here, there is a wire which is connected over here. Okay, so you will find that let it be X and it is Y point over here. So X and Y, they are connected with the wire. Okay, so this wire that you will take, its resistance is negligible, it is near to zero. Okay, so if it is 0, that means the potential difference what it will be between its two terminal. So there you will find that it is not having any potential difference. It means to say that as much is the potential of x, so much is the potential of y. Okay, so that potential of x is equal to potential of y. So there is no potential difference, that's why current will not pass through it. Okay, and while that this another you will find that this c and v, so both of them they are connected with this wire. So wire again that it is having negligible resistance, therefore that there is no potential difference between these 2 points. So it means that this is potential of C and potential of V, they are common. Okay, so thus I am going to make over here, it means जो x और y है that I am going to indicate it over here with this single point, क्योंकि दोनों का पोटेंशियल सेम है इसलिए सिंगल पॉइंट से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ। और जो हमारे पास सी और वी पॉइंट है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डिनोट ओवर हेयर विद दिस सिंगल कॉमन पॉइंट बिकॉज बोथ हैव सेम पोटेंशियल। ठीक है, सो देयरफॉर नाउ लेट अस लुक ओवर हेयर हाउ दे आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर। तो जो एक्स पॉइंट है वो एक्चुअल में ए के साथ कनेक्टेड है। ठीक है, सो ओवर हेयर यू कैन टेक दिस वन एज ए पॉइंट, so which is connected with the x. now there you will find that कि x और c के बीच में एक रेजिस्टेंस लगा 2r, दिस इज c पॉइंट एंड x पॉइंट, तो इसके बीच में लगा 2r। देयर आफ्टर c एंड y देयर इज रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ 2r, तो c ये है y ये है, तो इसके बीच में एक और रेजिस्टेंस लगा दैट इट इज ऑफ 2r। now the next is there y and b point, so y is this point and b is this point, so there is another that resistor which is connected over here, so it is of 2r. So thus we got over here that all resistances are connected in parallel. So in parallel this equivalent resistance it is 1 by 2r plus 1 by 2r plus 1 by 2r. This is the way which we are going to note. So LCM will be of 2r and it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that it is going to be 3. Or either if we change if we reverse the values upside down, then we will get it is 2r by 3. Okay, thus this will be our answer of this question. Now this is the last question. So over here we are given with this combination. So we have to identify what first of all what type of combination, and therefore we can give the solution. So try to find over here a parallel combination first. Okay, so you will find over here that when I will start from B to A, if I will start my journey from B to A, so you will find that when I reaches at this point, so there is a resistor and there is this path, so that means there are the two paths to reach at this point. Okay, और इधर you will find कि ये हमारे पास जो ये पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट दोनों क्या हैं, वायर के साथ हैं, इट मीन्स दोनों का पोटेंशियल क्या है, इक्वल है। ठीक है, इफ़ बोथ ऑफ देम हैव द इक्वल पोटेंशियल, तो इनका क्या हो गया, ये राइट, इन दोनों रजिस्टर का राइट टर्मिनल एक कॉमन पॉइंट के साथ है और लेफ्ट टर्मिनल इस कॉमन पॉइंट के साथ हुआ। ठीक है, सो दैट मीन्स हेयर दिस 6 ओम एंड 3 ओम आर इन पैरेलल। ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास कैसे जुड़े हैं, पैरेलल में। ठीक है, तो पैरेलल का हमारे पास दो रजिस्टर अगर पैरेलल में है तो इक्विवेलेंट क्या बन जाता है, इट इज़ प्रोडक्ट अपॉन में सम, सो इट इज़ that of 810/9, that means it is of 2 ohm. So it means to say इन दोनों को रिप्लेस करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, और एक सिंगल यूज़ करेंगे 2 ohm का. So thus I am going to do this one. Here it was of 30 ohm and this is of 8 ohm, and there it is only a single which I am going to use. So this is a single one